The cold weather is here. Are you ready? Hi, it's Adam at Blaise Alexander Chevrolet in Muncy, and we're ready. We're receiving new inventory every day. Plus, we already have the largest selection of new and pre-owned vehicles in the area. And don't forget, your trade-in value is still at a record high level. So right now is the perfect time to get exactly what you want. New or pre-owned. Blaise Alexander Chevrolet in Muncy, the area's #1 business elite dealer, is your #1 choice. So stop and shop or check us out online at BlaiseAlexanderChevy.com. We're taking deals the other guys won't.